You know, she can cook very well. She can sweep the house. She knows everything to do. But there was one she did not know to do. That was the issue of the altar. That's why you tell somebody, he said, what have I done? He said, you have not done anything. That's the truth. You are very good. I love you very well. But it's just that the problem is that I can't manage you. That's it. He said, don't ask me why. You know why? Don't ask me why. Because if he goes ahead, he will die. Then this is a child of God. The pastor has given a go ahead. Then they dealt with the issue. The night after he slept, he saw a beautiful dancing. But then that masquerade masking your face so that your